welcome back to my channel. This is the second eye look I have created for this Valentine week. And yeah, I told you that I am not gonna be doing any red or pink, but I came back to my ground and has done a reddish brownish makeup look for Valentine's Day. This is very day appropriate. The last eye look that I've done was a very night party look, and this is a very day appropriate look when you just want to be very flowery, breezy, and just do not want to wear so much color onto your face. So yeah, this is the eye look and this is the makeup look that I would rock if I would have gone on a date, which I'm not, on Valentine's Day. So let me know if you guys like it, and without further ado, let's get back to the video. And everything I have been using, I have listed down them in the description box below, so for you guys to check it out. Please check that out. So I have used a concealer as my eye primer and then blend it out with a kabuki brush and then set it out with some powder on top. Then I have used Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remaster palette. I have created the entire look with this palette, starting with sandalwood from the palette. I've concentrated that on my outer corner of that eye and blend it out to the inner corner. Haven't used much shadow in the inner corner, just blend it out. And then to just defocus it on the upper crease, I have used the shade Demure from the same palette and a little bit of precise blending brush. Lastly, I have used the shade Manator from the same palette and have concentrated that on my lash line because I wanted it to be a little bit of reddish color. So I just kept it on my lash line, did not blend it upwards too much, just kept it there. And yeah, that's how I have done my eyes with just 3 colors, and I have done my face as well. Now on to lower lash line, I have used the shade Cocoa and Manator together. Have concentrated that on the tight line of my eyes on the lower lash line and then blend it out with the shade Henna from the same palette. So you see, I have just used 5 shade, 1 2 3 4 5, and this eye look is done. So yeah, just tight line later on with K Beauty. This is, I guess, Raven Hue. I love to use this because this does not smudge and does not come on my lenses, so that's my ride or die. These 3 mascara are blast. You'll see it in a bit. Can you see my eyes? It's just with those 3 mascara. I did not use any falsies. So yep. Now to highlight my inner corner, I have used the shade Moon Dust from the palette, concentrated on the inner corner and then just blend it out to upper and lower lash line. Have used the same on the top of my brows, not the top of my brows, what do you call that, arch brows, the arch of my brows. And I have used Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury as my lip color, and yeah, this is the look, and I have changed the dress. Alright guys, so that's it. That's how I got dressed up for today. And let me know how you guys liked it. Oh, I'm wearing a neck piece from Gahana collection. I will be linking down their Facebook page in the description box below so that you guys can check her out. What I'm wearing is actually from my sister's wardrobe, which is surprisingly fitting me right now. So yeah, if you want to check how do I look in this entire dress, please do not forget to see my Instagram. I will be posting down there. And yeah, that's all from me. Please let me know if you guys like this eye look, this color. I will be experimenting more maybe then. And do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time.